We are going to talk to Kshitij, who is from Docomo, and he's going to explain the purpose of this visit and also about what all things we are going to do in next couple of days.
Sure. So I think the backdrop to this visit is the fact that Tata Docomo is the first company which has launched 3G in India now. More importantly for you guys, I think the purpose of the visit is to really understand what 3G is. I think in India, a lot of people think that 3G is just faster data.
Yeah.
But there's a lot more that you can do with that faster data. And these 2 days in Japan are here for you guys to understand how 3G impacts life of a consumer.
Okay.
More importantly, from the guys who introduced 3G to the world.
Okay.
And so if I can use that term, fathers of 3G,
Uh-huh.
NTT Docomo, they're the first company who introduced 3G commercially to the world. While as I speak, they already are moving to LTE, right?
Okay.
Which is long-term evolution, which is 2 levels above 3G.
Wow. So that's 4G or 5G?
That's 1 level above 4G.
Okay. So
Right,
it's
so-
tentatively 5G.
You can use that term.
Okay.
However, the term officially is coined as LTE.
LTE.
That's right.
Do you know full form?
It's
of
long-term evolution.
long-term evolution.
That's right.
Okay.
So I think what we'll understand in these 2 days is how a consumer uses 3G in his life.
Okay.
Many interesting things that I can speak in terms of literature is using your phone to buy stuff,
Okay.
using your phone as a credit card,
Wow.
using your phone to enter and exit into buildings,
Okay.
using your phone to travel from one place to another.
Uh-huh.
So unlike in India where you have to either use your credit card to make payment or give cash, you don't have to do any of that. So imagine a world wherein you put your phone in front of a device and your balance gets deducted and you get equal amount worth of goods back.
Excellent.
So that's what we'll do tomorrow. And today there'll be literature sessions on what's the technology behind 3G, how has it evolved in Japan.
Okay.
We'll show you something called as Future Station.
Okay.
And as the name suggests,
Uh-huh.
it's basically peeking into how the future is going to look like.
Wow. Okay.
Things that these guys are doing is completely amazing, completely awesome. I myself am going to witness that for the first time, so
Okay.
I'm as excited as anyone else here.
We are
uh,
excited as well.
So ask as many questions as you want to,
Okay.
because